Okay, let's check out the snow all piled up out here. Great Walmart. And all the truck drivers found a place to park. And yes, this is our little trip to Walmart. Let me show you some of the snow they got piled up where they scraped just down a few of the aisles. Big old piles everywhere. Let's see, there's one, there's one. And there's a huge pile out there. There's one. What? There's one. Wait! There's one. Ice everywhere.